What's the meaning of bipedal? Bipedal. Bipedal.
Bipedal. Bipedal. Bipedal refers to animals or beings that walk on two legs. This includes humans, birds, kangaroos, and some primates. The term bipedalism is often used in reference to the evolution of humans, who evolved from ape-like ancestors that were quadrupeds. The ability to walk upright on two legs provided our ancestors with several advantages, such as freeing up their hands for tool use, improved visibility and communication, and greater efficiency in long-distance travel. Bipedalism also allowed for the development of larger brains, as the pelvis was able to support a larger head without compromising mobility. Overall, bipedalism played an important role in human evolution and continues to be a defining characteristic of our species.